Hello friends, welcome to my 97 YouTube channel. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Let's learn how to change language on your Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile. Go to settings. After scroll down this page, click on this general management option. You can see here languages and input option. Click on it. In the top area you can see languages option. Click on it. If you want to use another language, you can click on this add language button and you can import another language. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.